How to fix email notification not working on your iPhone. So there are several things that you can to try to resolve this issue. Here are a step-by-step guide to help you to troubleshoot and fix the problem. First step is that you have to check your notification setting. Open up your setting on your device. Once you have opened up your setting here, you have to scroll down and go for your notification. And once you are on your notification, you have to find and tap your email app here. Just look for the email or mail app. You can see the Gmail app here. And here ensure that your allow notification is turned on. Or you can check the setting for how notifications will appear. Example like lock screen, notification center, banner, etc. Also, you can check your email account setting. Open up your setting here, and once you have opened up your setting, and you can just go for the mail here. You have to just go for the mail here. Once you are on your mail, you have to tap on your account. Just go for the Gmail notification setting, and here you have to make sure the account is properly configured. Check that the username and the password are correct here. If necessary, you can delete your account and re-edit your account by going onto the account and selecting your account. Also, you can check your do not disturb mode or focus mode is on or not. If it is on, you have to simply toggle it off. Also, you can check your sound setting. Navigate to your setting again. Under your setting, you have to just go for the sound and haptics. Under your sound and haptics, make sure that ringer and alerts volume is turned on. Here you can see that. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.